Where there's automation, helping you manufacture high-quality products with high precision, reliably, every day. Giving you the gift of versatility by innovating the automation of your industry. There's FANUC, the factory automation company. Where there are values, there is quality, following the Japanese philosophy of our mother company. Strict preciseness, enabling the highest possible quality of our products. Transparency, keeping our customers close and well informed. Where there's ambition, there's improvement. Developing the suitable product for every use case. Simplifying your work by constantly innovating our high-tech solutions. Ensuring fast and reliable manufacturing to minimize downtimes. Where there's reliability, there's efficiency. We are always there for you, wherever you are, 24/7, providing the best customer service with lifetime support for as long as our products are in use. Where there's education, there's growth. Experience the FANUC Academy. Here you can learn the basics or excel. Where there's innovation, there's opportunity. We keep pioneering the market by incorporating the latest technological advances into our services and solutions. Where there's sustainability, there's our future. Reducing our carbon footprint and saving resources worldwide. Constantly improving the energy efficiency and durability of our products to help you reduce your carbon emissions. Where there's passion, there are people. Investing in the future generations to always stay on top. Taking care of our people as they take care of our company. Because without them, FANUC wouldn't exist. They help your business succeed with automation. Where there's automation, there's FANUC.